Have you ever noticed that some stocks seem to go up around the same time every year? That's not luck. That's stock seasonality. Today, I'm going to break down what stock seasonality is, why it exists, and how traders and investors actually use it to gain an edge in the market. Stock seasonality refers to recurring price patterns that happen at specific times, like certain months, quarters, or even days of the week. Examples include stocks rising during earnings seasons, retail stocks performing well before the holidays, tech stocks pulling back during certain summer months. These patterns repeat often enough that traders study them not as guarantees, but as probability advantages. Seasonality isn't random. It happens because of human behavior and business cycles. Key reasons include 1. Earnings cycles. Companies report results at the same times every year. 2. Consumer spending habits, holidays, tax refunds, back to school, season 3, fund rebalancing, institutions adjust portfolios quarterly and yearly. Here are a few classic examples traders watch. Sell in May and go away. Markets historically slow down during summer months. Year-end rally. Santa Claus. Rally stocks often perform well in late December as funds reposition and optimism rises. September. Weakness. Historically, one of the weakest months for stocks. January effect. Smaller stocks tend to outperform early in the year. Smart traders don't trade seasonality alone. They combine it with other tools. Seasonality helps traders choose better timing for entries, avoid trading during historically weak periods, align trades with higher probability windows, adjust expectations for volatility. For example, if a stock is entering a historically strong month and breaking out on high volume, that's when seasonality adds confidence. So here's the truth. Stock seasonality doesn't predict the future. It tilts the odds in your favor. If you use it with solid risk management, volume, and trend analysis, it becomes a powerful edge, not a shortcut. Comment below. Have you ever noticed seasonal patterns in your trades? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.